harmonization of architecture and natural backyard house design. As part of building a house, there is usually a backyard. The various functions and roles they play, the backyard, transformed into beautiful and artistic gardens, is full of artistic touches in a luxurious home. Not infrequently, a swimming pool with bluish water is a compliment. A place for family to chat, unite opinions, share stories, and love. In the afternoon, the backyard can be a place to relieve fatigue after a long day of work. Lazy chairs with soft foam, round tables with artistic taste. Have a backyard. This is done to maintain family privacy.